I think it's a big day for the country. For everyone, whoever I met, felt that Priyanka should be in the parliament. Now our voices will be heard. All the issues that are not discussed will be discussed. And, that it'll have more strength for Rahul in parliament. I think it's a big day for the country. For everyone, whoever I met, felt that Priyanka should be in the parliament. And they've seen Priyanka campaign for everybody in the family. They've seen Priyanka be in people's troubled times and, go to every corner of the country to meet people. And they have real hope in Priyanka. And I'm getting congratulation messages from everywhere, that now our voices will be heard. All the issues that are not discussed will be discussed. And, that it'll have more strength for Rahul in parliament. And yes, me and my children are very happy with this moment, as we've always wanted her basically to have a place in politics, like not only to campaign or not only be for other moments. I mean, to be in parliament was significant, because I think she's worked very hard, and she belongs in the parliament, I think. So it's a very proud moment for me, my children and myself. As I said, and I'm reiterating that it's a very proud moment for my children and myself, that, and the discussion is only that we are happy that there's a concrete, place in politics for her, that she's going to be in parliament. That's it, and we are very happy that, and we were, obviously hoping that everything just goes off smoothly, and, that nobody gives any kind of negative thought or standing up with any kind of negativity. And so I thank the government as well as everyone in parliament that it went in a decent, dignified way, and Priyanka was able to take her oath, and the whole nation watched it, and they're very happy that Priyanka is in parliament.